Hello everyone, welcome to this live market analysis of Forex pair. So let's start from the dollar index chart, which is very important. So here you can see that market is very bullish on weekly, on big time frame, and also on very small short time frame. Because of this more strong fundamental news, Fed raised the interest rates, and also technically you can see that price is also very strong in the dollar index. So here we can see that price after making the high of 113.21, now price is dropping and pull back of level. You can see that, or if we go to the smaller time frame, shorter time frame, you can see that after the price after price consolidate, drop and retest this level of its Fibonacci 50% ratio, then price coming back to this level, which is if you see that on the extension, the targets Fibonacci, you can see that it is 1.61 level and price is test this level. All right, so now what's next in the dollar index? So here we are looking for some kind of correction in the dollar index chart. We are seeing that price is, if coming to this level, you can wait to price come to test this previous level of resistance now as a support, which is also Fibonacci level. So then we are looking for some kind of buy structure and buy candles here, and then we go for the long for the target of next level. So first of all, wait for the retracement, then we are going to long for the target of this level, and if break this level, then we are going to for the next target. But on this intraday, we are wait for the dollar index. You can also see that the bearish strong candle closing, so wait for the retest of this level, and then we are going to long in dollar index. All right, so next our next watch list is the euro yen. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price is pull back this to this level of 140.116, and now is near very strong demand zone. All right, so if we go to the shorter time frame, you can see that price is near this support and hold this level of very strong support. So here we can see if on the Monday open, price break this level of support. All right, if price break this level of support, then you can go short for the target, very small target, which is almost 35 to 40 pips target. So here you can scalp this EURJPY for the first target, and if break, then you can hold for the next target of 136.75, which is very big target. You can see that it's almost 190 pips, which is very big target. So here you can see that price is retest this level of previous market structure, which is support, now as a resistance. So if price wait for the breakout of the previous low, if price break this level of support, then you go short for the target of this level and for this target. But if price break this level of resistance trend line, then you go long for the target of this, and if break, then you go for the target of this level, which is very important market orders, institution smart money order block area. So here you can see there are two structure in the market. So first of all, I was remove this whole drawing area. So you can see that I was telling if the EURJPY break this level of support, then you go short for the target of this, and if break this level, then you go short for the target of this. But if this not happen, then you wait for price to come this level. If break, then you go long. But the market is selling trend, so go with the flow of market. If you have seen breakout of this structure, go short for this target, and if break, then go for this target. All right, so next our pair is USD Jpy. So here you can see that on the daily time frame, you can see that market is near its strong level of supply, which is previous. You can see that the double top, and now also rejecting from the here you can see that previous on the 22 September price is making this wick, and on Friday price is trying to fill this wick and successfully tried to fill this wick. All right, so if we go to the shorter time frame, you can clearly see that wait a second. Yes, you can clearly see that the price is rejecting from this level of resistance. I am on this volume indicator. So here you can see that price is clearly rejecting from this level of resistance, which shows some weakness in the USD Jpy CHF. If the DXY is pullback and take some correction or pullback, then we have a good trade setup in USD CHF, and we are going short on USD CHF because of price is rejecting from the level of resistance. If we go to the more shorter time frame in 1 hour, you can see that price is forming the market structure, which is triple top pattern, and also it's the bearish divergence, and on RSI indicator I saw, and you can also see that the RSI stochastic shows the crossover. So here you can go for the short position for the target of this level, which is 9759, and if break this structure, then you go for the target of this level of support, which is previously you can see that the consolidation area. So we are seeing that price break this and coming back to test this market structure, which is very important. All right, so this is a very good trade setup in USD CHF. Our last pair is CADJPY. So here you can see that after a massive sell-off in the CADJPY on Friday, price is in range market in the block area. So volume is also very high, you can see that. So market is in sell trend. So if the price break this the level of range, you can go short for the small target of this level, and if this break, then we look for CADJPY to come to test this previous level of support. All right, so here you can see that the two market structure in the CADJPY, if breakout or upside, then you go long for the target of this level. All right, here you can see that the two setups in the CADJPY, if breakout of this range to the downside, you can go short for this target, and if break, you can go short for this target. All right, but if go to the upside, then you go long for this target of 106.79, but you can must exit on this level because the market is in sell trend, and if market is coming in your direction, if you go for the long, then you have to put your stop loss in your entry and come in and move your stop loss in your position. All right, so these are the setups for the Monday you have to trade. So good luck, traders.